To draw a multi-view of pipe fittings, these are the steps that I take. So let's say that this direction here is the front view. And here's the drawing for it. So now let's take a look at it. From here we have an end of pipe that continues on, so therefore we would have that little continuation symbol here. Move that there so that we can see it a little better. Okay, so this is a pipe that would continue on, so there's the continuation, kind of like the yin-yang symbol that we have seen in pipe fittings before. You have the straight piece here, and then this back elevation here is in line with this front elevation here. And so I draw part of that 90-degree elbow, but I leave a gap, just letting you know that that is hiding behind what is coming this way there. And so from there, if you can kind of think about it going up, so that goes all the way up. Now this circle is here just because it represents that depth that is coming towards us. And then the elbow, the circular shape of the elbow is represented here. And then the line starts at the center of that elbow coming this way, so that we know that this piece of pipe is actually going away from us that way. Okay, from there we have that elevation, which is the front view here. The 90-degree elbow, which would be visible this way towards the width of the object, and then that's a width line here. And then the depth would be going back here, which would be represented by this circle with the break here, since that would have the hidden lines for that section of that circular shape. And then that line ends at the center point of the elbow there, just to represent that this is visible, but the circular shape is hiding behind that. To generate the top view, I make sure that everything is lined up. In other words, if I was to draw a line here, it would line up vertically with each one of my areas there. That did not change at all, so we still do the line up and everything there. As you can see, we have the straight piece of pipe here. This height or elevation is represented by the circular shape here, but this is more visible, therefore this line here is more visible, so that goes to the center of the circular shape. This goes all the way to the circle here, but that line ends at the center point of that circular shape. This represents an elevation, this time is going down. And then from there you do not see this elbow, even though you should have a line for it like this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, okay, that I did not have. And then from there it goes to this distance, which is the end of that pipe here. And from there you will see the 90-degree elbow, and it ends with a little continuation symbol there for the pipe's continuation there. The bottom view is a mirror image of that top view. So in this case, we're looking at it from the bottom. I'm not going to go over it with you, but I do want you to look at it, examine it, and make sure that we are on the same page whenever you look at the actual isometric. And then compare it to the top view. Notice where there's a break in the circular shapes here to determine what line trumps what. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the side views. Notice that they are mirror images of each other. Also notice that some things have been shifted according to what you see from that angle.